Hi, good afternoon. 11th of December 2017. Right now it's about 1:25 p.m. And let's talk about Nifty. Let's see what's happening in the market. So, let's talk about market and see what's happening. As I said you all in my last video, and I've been saying that my mindset on Nifty is now positive, right? Why? Because 10 moving average and the 50 moving average both have crossed the 200 moving average in 15 minutes, right? So I'm waiting for to get an entry, correct entry in Nifty, right? So what I'm thinking now, I'm going to enter into it when this moving average comes down and takes a support. If possible today, if not, then tomorrow I will enter into it, right? But I want proper, absolute proper support, right? And let's see what's happening in the option chain, right? Right now, where is Nifty? Right now, Nifty is at 10,293 in the cash. Let's see, where is it? Roughly around that. And what's happening in the option chain? Option chain, there is unwinding happening at 10,300 level. Definitely, it is planning to go down, and highest call put writing also happening at the 10,300 level, right? So let's the decision come. Let's the market decide a proper. I mean, I'm 100% sure it's going to be in the uptrend only. But ever since market has opened, the Nifty has been going down. Let it take a support on this moving average, right? Once it does that, I will be buying. Maybe today or tomorrow, I don't know when, but I definitely plan to enter into this Nifty this time with you all. Okay, so I want to show you. No, I did tell you. Did I tell you that we have given Bombay Dying? Bombay Dying is what we gave, and see the beautiful run up that it has been giving. Just see, this is how it's heading up in the weekly graph, and this is the run up that it has given on daily graph. So we gave it at about 208 or 209, and right now it is at 239. That is how it has gone up. That is the movement it has shown. All right, similarly we have given another one, which is in we have given in rockers. This is advanced enzymes, and that is also giving a nice run up. And one stock that we are finding is right now on support is basically Ramkey. I told you, have given a good support, and it has given a good buying opportunity at 9, and it's been going up after that. Now it's looking to me on a support, right? This is what my members are also saying. But I would like you to fine tune, go to 1 hour and see what's happening, right? If the 10 moving average has gone below, just wait till it takes a turn in the upward direction. If it takes in the turn in the upward direction, you can definitely go long in it. Even Heidelberg Cement, that for that matter, looks very good to me. Heidelberg Cement, let me show you. I have given it at many other places many times. Heidelberg Cement is when I've given many times. So I gave it at 10 something. I remember, I don't know, long back I had given, and not even at least 6 months, not even 6 months back, but I gave it somewhere around at 120, somewhere here in my October, either October or around October I gave. So I gave it at about 127. It came down to 117, and then this run up it gave 160. Now again it went up, came down. The moment it takes a support, again it will head up, right? You can definitely keep it on your radar. Even ITD cementation also looks very good to me, right? This is another stock, and even Jufic Bio you probably will now get on a good support. Another stock that was heading down, and which I feel if you get it on support you can again create a position, is Graphite India. Graphite India is one of the monopoly stock. You can just definitely look whenever you get it on a support, create position in it. Even Philips Carbon is on support. Just wait for a few more days till you see a proper support being built up. Once you see that proper support, then only enter into this stock. Now let's see once again, let's go back to Nifty and see. I could see a bit of drop happening here. A bit of drop happening here, right? Nifty is going down. So let it go down, and the moment we feel it to come down, so to say about another, wherever we are from there, about 20-30 points, we will probably have a good opportunity to enter into it. Okay. Now, since morning I have done trading in, I did trade in this one. I did trade in Granules India. So let me show you how the granules were working. Let me just show you how the Granules India worked. It gave me good profit. It was a intraday trade. It was an intraday trade. So I just booked 1 point and exited. So this is how Granule India worked. I entered in somewhere here around 131 rupees, and this gave me a good 2 points run up. 1.5 points is what I booked, right? And after that it is going down. So this was my trade today. And another trade that I've identified but I somehow did not enter into it was M&M Finance. You know, my order was getting rejected. I don't know what wrong I was doing, but I got it in the morning here when these 3 candles were formed. You know, I was getting it again and again. I mean, I was very attracted to it to buy. But before I could, when I tried it 3 times, I probably, I know, maybe I'm doing something wrong while buying it, and see the breakout that it has given, right? And see the stock that we gave VIP Clothing. I think it's now again heading up. This is its 15 minutes graph, and I'm 100% sure it will give good run up. Good run up it should give up in coming few days. If you're holding it, hold it. And let me give you its targets also. So the first target that you can expect is 64, 65 rupees. Then you can expect about 69 or 70 rupees, and then you can expect about 73 rupees. These are my targets for VIP Clothings, right? So definitely hold them. They will give you definitely a very, very good return. All right. So Nifty is just oscillating up and down. You know, sometimes few points down and then quickly it bounces back. You know, so it shows Nifty doesn't plan to go down. The moment a little bit of profit booking comes in, it immediately bounces back. It indicates completely and clearly that Nifty do not plan to go down. It definitely plans to go up. I'm waiting for an opportunity to come. Okay, so what else? Let's go to the Bank Nifty and see what's happening in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty almost also shows you the exact pattern as Nifty is showing, right? Even in Bank Nifty, you will have a good clear opportunity to enter. In Bank Nifty also, you will have a clear opportunity to enter. And if Nifty goes up, definitely Bank Nifty will also go up. So let me take you here and see what's happening in the international market. So here, where has the FTSE gone? So let's see here what's happening in FTSE. So FTSE is opened on a positive note, right? Let's see what's happening into DAX. That's also on a positive this thing. And let's see what's happening in CAC. So here CAC is also on the positive. See, DAX and CAC are almost same. You know, like there's not much of difference. Whereas FTSE below 50 moving average, but definitely it looks to me heading up, right? It definitely looks to me heading up, right? If it crosses this barrier at the top. If it crosses this barrier at the top, it definitely will go up. So international scenario seems to be very positive, and so is Indian scenario. There is nothing which is negative, nothing which could basically tell us that things are going incorrect or anything. So I'm expecting a good run up to come into Bombay Dine, definitely, and in advanced enzymes as well. Also Nifty and Bank Nifty should head up, right? Just before I conclude, let me take you to the option chain once again. Let's see how the option chain is changing, how the dynamics have changed here. So a huge put writing happening at 10,300 level, and then another put writing happening in 10,200 level. So that means our range is going to remain between 10,200 and 10,300. And if I get it on support, I'm waiting for it to show me a support, then I will enter into Nifty. Not right now. Not right now. I'm waiting for the opportunity, because it's all about entering at the right time. It's all about entering into right time. For me, entry exit matters a lot. If I can't enter on the wrong place. I will show you when I have entered into Nifty. All right. So what I'm saying now, guys, head up to 6th of January. Do like really work hard and generate some money so that you can actually enter into market with proper understanding. Enter into market with proper understanding. When you understand what's happening in the market, we have also given TriGen. TriGen also has been giving good returns. Wherever we have given, it's almost 5-6% up from there. Okay, so what I'm saying, if you want to be in the stock market, you need to understand everything about market. When is it going up? When is it going down? Be in the direction of market, because market has a, stock market is the only place where, you get to earn money in both the direction. The only thing is that you need to know which direction market is turning into, right? As a very clear indication I have told you is 200 moving average. Like in 15 minutes, if Nifty crosses 200 moving average, means the Nifty is heading up. Similarly, if it is crossing in the downward direction, means Nifty is heading down. It's a very good indication, and to me Nifty looks pretty positive. Let me just give you its targets also, right? So let's put in one day I'm going to put for you the pivot point and see what could be our targets. Where can I expect Nifty to be heading, right? Let me just show you that as well. So Nifty today has experienced a resistance from pivot point. Where is the pivot point? 10,340, right? That's the future. Let me make it cash. So Nifty is above pivot point in cash market to 10,271, right? So now there is a gap up opening that happened. Now where can I expect? 10,450 is gone nowhere if Nifty closes positive today. If Nifty closes positive today and holds on to the support, let me just show you what are the supports that we are talking about. If it closes above 10,293 today in cash, definitely Nifty is in the positive zone. Definitely Nifty is going to be in the positive zone, right? A huge amount of buying is coming in Nifty, and Nifty is heading up, right? So I'm waiting for the opportunity. I'm waiting for the opportunity. Did you see in one day it is experiencing a resistance in futures, right? So I would buy it around 10,338. I don't like any resistances above my head. So this pivot point also need to be crossed. When it is crossed convincingly, I'm going to enter into Nifty. That is my stance on Nifty. See, now Bank Nifty is also heading up. Bank Nifty is also showing good momentum in the upward direction, right? The moment it crosses this R1, I think it will give you these points, these more further points. So let's just see and visualize, figure out when is the breakout coming in Nifty, and maybe this may turn out to be a support. So I may enter into Nifty by another little more time. I'm just waiting for clear indications, right? I still don't have absolute clear indication. The moment I have it, I will enter into Nifty, right? So good day, guys. Enjoy and trade with confidence. When you trade with confidence, you will never have palpitation in your heart whether the market goes up or the market goes down. Understand. Let's see what's happening in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has a ceiling at 25,400, right? And a support, a great support at 25,300. So Bank Nifty also has a narrow range, 25,300 to 25,400, right? Let's see. I'm not entering in a hurry. I want to wait and have absolute clear indication, then only I'm going to enter into Nifty. All right, but I'm all set to enter. Fine. So this is what I wanted to share. Now my webinar will begin on 6th of January. So let's wait for 6th of January. I'm waiting for you all to join so that you can master the market and you earn money in every direction. Whichever direction Nifty goes, you earn money. And I would like you to do equity. I would like you to do, when you buy stocks and keep them in your portfolio and hold them. So like my holdings, I have reduced today. This Videocon I've sold. I'm just holding these, you know, ad advanced enzymes, bombidine and HFCl. These are the ones I'm holding. And see, would you mind 14-15% return in few days? I bought it on Friday and today it's giving me a 13-14% return. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. Why should I do intraday? Why should I do intraday if my returns are so good? So that move that you saw was sudden move is not a true move. It's a fictitious move, right? So I'm waiting for it to come and touch 50 moving average, then I'm going to enter into it. So all the best, good day, and I want you all to learn. Learning about market is very, very important. Your money, you should master it, you should control it, no one else, right? And watch my videos. I do keep hearing from you all that by watching my videos only you can figure out good stocks. Please do that. Please do that, right? But if you still want to fine tune yourself, you can join my webinar and I ensure that you get back what you are paying for, right? And also somebody has written that you yourself give tips. No, I don't give tips. I talk about the stocks on the breakout and you can see it yourself. If you feel convinced, buy. If you don't buy. But that's the way we validate our accuracy, right? That's the way we validate our accuracy, right? You can also validate by going to my Telegram channel and watching every single thing, every single stock that I have given, how it has performed in the past few months. You will be able to see yourself, right? With this, I'm signing off, hoping to see you all at the webinar starting on 6th of January. Good day. Bye-bye. See you.